Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So today I'll be teaching you on how to customize your email signature. So if you're a freelancer or you're kind of, and let me say, yeah, in general, a freelancer in general, you want to reach out to your clients, you're a business owner, you want to have an email signature in case you want to send out messages and you want your company signature to be on your email. You want your messages to be professional enough. So you can see that this is an email signature, and not just only an email signature. You can see that this email signature is very responsive because if I click on this Fiverr icon, it's going to link then to my Fiverr profile. So this is how I customize my email signature, and how you're going to do this. So dive with me as I go ahead to create an email signature. So the website we'll be using for this email signature is Wisestamp. Now on Wisestamp, make sure that you have your email already. So on Wisestamp, then you're going to create your account with Wisestamp. You're going to create Wisestamp with your Gmail. So then you click on get started. So then you can continue with your Google or anyhow you want it to anyhow you want it to go. So I'll be using this to continue. So then continue. So once you're done, then it will ask you for your name. So let me just use the name of my channel to avoid wasting much of our time. So let me say David Rake. David Rake. Then what's my title? Yeah, then my phone number, my company name, I'll put Dave Rake all together. So then just me, and I'll click on continue. So then what is your email platform? So you're working with your Google Space, or let's just say others. So then you can choose any of these and you click on continue. So you can see it says getting ready. So then we have a Wise stamp account ready. So now once we are all done with our Wisestamp account, then we head over to designing our email signature. So then you're clicking on the design signature templates. So now the design signature templates, once you click on the design signature templates, so you have the format already. So it gives you this format. So you have different formats that you can choose. When you head over to templates, there are different formats. If you choose this, you can choose another type. Set classic. This is classic. This is horizontal. This is wide. If you want it to be wide, if you want compact, if you want another type. So there are different signature type that you can pick, formats that you can pick on this platform. So, but the classic one is the one I use the most. So then I'll go back to my details. So now I'm told to enter my employee name. So which is once I select the employee name, under this employee drop down, I'm going to click on free test. Now on the free test, it will allow me to type my name. So let's type David, which is the name. So you can put your name or your company name. So David. So now the next thing it will ask me, the next thing it will ask me is the title. So what's my title? Then I can just uh input my title using the free test. So then let's say yeah, David YouTuber, YouTuber, YouTuber. So then Then after that, the next thing says my company name, which has been written, which is David, then employee phone number. So if I have a phone number, if you want to include your phone number, so you can include the phone number. So you can see I included a phone number here. So let me just input one random number. So you can see the phone number surfacing. So then the next thing says your mobile number. Then that you can delete that because you already have the phone number on it. So the next one says your website. So if your company have your website, so you can put your website URL on it. Let's take for example YouTube is my URL. So I can put my channel as my YouTube as my URL, but I can still say youtube.com. You understand? So let me just put youtube.com instead. So after my phone number, then yeah. So but likewise my email, so I can just input my email as well. So let me just say uh davidoik at at okay at gmail.com. So you can see my email already. Then I can see after that you can ask for my address. So I can choose to enter my address manually, which is if clicking the option of free test. So I can just pick probably maybe I'm in the United States. So I can just say United States. Let me say okay the city. Let me say uh, I'm in New York. Let me say I'm in New York, New York. So you can just put your full address there. United States. Then the next thing says so you can just fill it up what you need to be displayed on your. So now you can still choose to add another field based on the kind of field you want. So you can choose to have your your social media's profile. You can add it on onto it probably. Yeah, you can see that the social media profile are being displayed. So now if you want to add the link to your social media profile, the links to your profile social media profile, once you click on that, let me go back. So once you click on this add social media profile, it will lead you to where your social media are. So you can see that Facebook, you can see Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and so in case you still want to show, you want to add some, or probably the social media you want to add is not there, you can click on this show more. So there are a lot of social media. So if you are working on Upwork, you can add your Upwork profile. If maybe you're a freelancer on Upwork and you want to customize your email, so you can add Upwork. You can add different thread. You can have Etsy, Pinterest, YouTube. You can see. So I can add this my YouTube as a YouTuber, so I can put YouTube there because I'm a YouTuber. Then any other social media that I want to add on it. So and on the drop down, you can see I can add my URL here. So I'll just input my URL free test. Once I say free test, then I paste my URL here. So same thing with Facebook. I'll change this to free test. I'll change the company to free test. So input my URL. So same thing with the rest as well. So then after that, then we're going to come over to our design. Or okay, I think so. In case we want to change the color, any color we want to change, the signature color, stuff like that. So this is where we're going to do that. Now going over to the image, so which is the image that will appear at the side here. So we have the logo. So either your image or probably so you can just upload the image you want to use, maybe your company image or any image you want to use. So let me just choose a random picture here and just add it so that uh, we can just move on that. So let me just add one picture. Let me see if I can see any picture here. So yeah, let me just add this picture. Let me just add this picture. So then I click on done. Then we have our picture uploaded. Yeah, you'll be able to see the picture being displayed here. So I'll click on done. So if you want to include, if you want your image to be responsive, you can just input your URL on the image here. And once people click on that on your image, then it will be responsive. It will lead them to your company website. So then after that, I'll come over to my apps. So when I come over to my apps, this is the signature type. So I want to customize my signature. So the signature I want to customize, I want to make it my name. So I'll click on your name. So then you can see that it changes my name to Dave Heroic and the signature. So if I want to change my signature type, I can change this to plain or any kind of signature I want. And if I want my signature to be animated, to be displaying like this, then I'll click on animate. So then after I'm done with that, I'm just instead of animating it, let me just leave it. So then on this kind regards, if you don't want to put kind regards, if you want to put other things, probably maybe Merry Xmas, Happy New Year, best wishes, regard, best regards, so and so on. I love to use more of best regards. Then you click on save. Then after you click on save, this important stuff, because you're on a free version, then you can choose to remove this as well. So the disclaimer, I can delete the disclaimer. So because we're not needing it, I'll have to delete the disclaimer. So you see that the disclaimer is off. Then you can see that I have my email signature available. Then also, if you want to upload your banner to the to the email signature, you can choose to import your image gallery. You can see that this is an image gallery, so you can see how well it was displayed on there. Then you can choose to upload your gallery image. So the images you want, probably maybe your company has an image, different images or probably products, so you can just push them. Yes, so you are given the chance to upload like one, two, three, four, five images. So you can upload 5 images there, and you'll be able to see those on your profile as well. So let me just add one more, and then we can. So yeah, so then once I'm done with that, I can choose to increase the size, image size, the space. If I want to make it circular, maybe the edge to be to be in corner or probably round. So then I can also make sure that my images are responsive, so it's leading them to any images they click, it can lead them to my website. So I can input the website here and click on add. So once I click on add, then you can see that my email signature is very responsive and very okay. So if you have any other thing you want to input, maybe you want people to join your webinar, you can add your webinar here. If you want people to join your newsletter, you can add your newsletter stuff here. So if you have an offer, if you want to upload a banner as well. So yeah, a custom button, maybe you want people to check your website, you can add that. Social media button. So if you want to add a calendar, maybe you want people to book appointments, stuff like that, you can add your calendar here as well. So after doing that, then how does this show appear on your email? Anytime you want to send out your, let me just click on publish changes because I'm done with it. So I click on publish changes already. So from here, then on this action, okay, I didn't see what I want to use it for here. So I'll go over to the setup. So over the setup. So if I go on to my email, you can see that it's not going to appear yet on my email. So until I do something on my email, that's when it can be able to appear. So let me go back to the signature. So let's wait for this while it loads. So let me click on compose. If I compose a message now, my email signature ought to appear whenever I want to compose a message. So you can see that it's not appearing yet. So we need to do something first before that can be appearing. So let me go back to this. Okay. Uh, okay, I'll come over to my settings. think it is not here yet. So let me go back because we need to copy the signature. Okay. So I'm going to activate it. I'll come here to my employee, activate it, and click this drop down. And I will copy my signature. So once I copy my signature, I'll come over to my email. You can see that I'm unable to get my email signature yet. So I'll cancel this. I will go over to my email settings. Now click on see all settings. And once I click on see all settings, I will scroll down to creating my signature. I'll click on create new signature. So I can name it my signature. So then I'll click on create. So after I click on create, then I'm going to paste here at the right hand side my image signature that I copied. So you can see that I pasted it. You can see that it's appearing here. So this is my image signature being pasted. So if you like do that, I'll come under here. I'll instead of no signature, I'll make sure my signature is there. My signature is there. Then after I'm done with that, I'll come down here. I'll click on save changes. Then after saving your changes, then you can now compose a message. Once you compose a message, you can see that my email signature is here already. And anytime I'm sending a message, my email signature will always be on my email. So thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. Bye.